Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Week 5 presentation in Desire to Learn. Today, we're going to cover how to post an audio message. And we do this so we can introduce ourselves, tell the purpose of our course or training session, and genuinely just welcome people to our site. So to begin, we're currently on a home page, and we're going to click the news down arrow. And we're going to go to New News Item. We're going to title this Audio Welcome. Then we're going to go and jump down to Attachments. We're going to click Record Audio. And if this is your first time doing it, you'll get a pop-up box asking you for allowance to enable the mic. On here, you have the option to record audio or upload a pre-existing audio file. So for this demonstration, we're going to click New Recording and begin our message. Welcome to class. My name is Dr. T, and I look forward to engaging with all of you. If you have any questions, send me an email. Welcome to class. My name is Dr. T, and I look forward to engaging with all of you. This will give you the option to preview the recording. So if you need to re-record, you can click New Recording. But for this, we're going to go ahead and select Add. And for the description title, we're going to just say Audio Welcome. And just add. And then we're going to go ahead and publish.